Coconut sugar is trending in many recipes. It is also a popular sweetener in coffee shops. So, what is coconut sugar? Coconut sugar is made from the sap of the coconut palm flowers. It has a deep brown color like brown sugar. Coconut sugar is available as crystals, granules, serum, and blocks. If a recipe calls for coconut sugar and you do not have any available, you can use one of these 9 coconut sugar substitutes. Light brown sugar. Light brown sugar is a great substitute because of its texture, flavor, and color. Brown sugar is sweeter than coconut sugar, so substitute 2/3 cup for 1 cup coconut sugar. Raw honey. Who doesn't like a drop of honey in their drink recipe or even a bacon recipe? Although raw honey has a completely different texture from coconut sugar or light brown sugar, it is always a great substitute. So substitute 1/4 cup of honey for 1 cup coconut sugar in the recipe. Sucanat. Sucanat is a type of cane sugar. It is made from sugar cane juice that is beaten with paddles to form large granules. Use a food processor to break up the large granules. And use the exact amount that the recipe requires for coconut sugar. Agave syrup. Agave syrup is harvested from the sap of the agave plant. It has a thinner texture than raw honey. Substitute 1/4 cup of agave syrup for 1 cup coconut sugar. Stevia. Stevia is a natural sugar-free sweetener that is made from the stevia plant. It is a great substitute for people who need to monitor their blood sugar levels. Use the exact amount that the recipe requires for coconut sugar. Turbinado sugar. Turbinado is a pale brown sugar that is made from sugarcane. It has large, coarse granules. Like coconut sugar, it has a crumblier texture that allows it to go perfectly with recipes that hold moisture. It has a mild molasses or caramel taste, which makes it great for bacon. Use the exact amount of turbinado sugar that the recipe requires for coconut sugar. Date sugar. Date sugar is made from dehydrated dates. Date sugar comes in chunks and has a mild, sweet, butterscotch-like flavor. Grind the chunks in a food processor and use the exact amount as the recipe requires for coconut sugar. Monk fruit sugar. Monk fruit sugar is made from monk fruits. Monk fruit sugar is 200 times sweeter than coconut sugar. So use 2/3 cup of monk fruit sugar for 1 cup of coconut sugar. Maple sugar. Maple sugar is made from dehydrated maple sap. The granules have a large, coarse texture. Grind the crystals in a food processor and use the exact amount as the recipe requires for coconut sugar. Maple syrup can also be used as a substitute for coconut sugar. Use 1/4 cup maple syrup for 1 cup coconut sugar. In summary, don't fret if you can't find coconut sugar in your supermarket. Instead, use one of these 9 coconut sugar substitutes. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like and share this video.